Okay, here we go.
Baby, it's a Sunday. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. Take Sunday. From everything fun and crazy, anything cool, and take something unlikely and something exciting. It's a new day. It's a Sunday.
What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna unbox and share my impressions about a super gadget that I got as a surprise gift from our very own Super Shri. That too for my
birthday.
Yep.
Shan, wait. Before you do that, how about unboxing a cake with all of us?
Unboxing a cake?
Yep, it's your birthday, right? Let's cut a cake and celebrate.
That sounds fun. Let's do it.
Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine and go out and play.
Alright, so back to the gadget unboxing. Bam! Ooh la la! So here it is guys, the all new Samsung Z Flip 3. Samsung's all new foldable smartphone launched along with the Z Fold 3. This is the retail box, not a review unit. What I have is the black 128GB model. Also comes in a 256GB variant. Super sleek package. Opening up the box, we have the device itself. Let's get to it in a bit. Then a SIM tray ejector pin. A Type-C charging cable, no adapter in the box. Thank you, Apple. Hey. A quick start guide, that's about it. And bam, here is the all-new Samsung Z Flip 3. This is Samsung's premium foldable phone after its super premium Fold series. If you want to fold a full-size smartphone and carry it in your pocket, then this is the device guys. Well, I have used the first and second generation Fold devices and even the previous generation Flip. But this year, I'm all up for the Flip 3 instead of the Fold 3 because I find this to be more practical. And after going through some significant upgrades, I think it's finally come to a point where consumers can put their money on this to try a new technology that'll blow you away. The device feels very solid, and yes, the primary highlight is its foldable glass display, which is of course the selling point. You have a 10 megapixel selfie shooter in a punch hole. Close, bam. Flip open, bam. That's what is magical about this device guys. See, the money that you're paying here is totally for this tech because the rest of the stuff you get on any smartphone. But folding a full phone into half, that is awesome and insane. I like the matte black color compared to the cream variant. It's called Phantom Black. Back has the dual 12 megapixel camera setup, wide and ultra wide sensors. Next to it, you also have a small 1.9 inches Super AMOLED touch display, which comes in super handy when the phone is in folded mode. Displays time info, notifications, widgets and tons more. And hey, if you plan to use the high resolution cameras to take a selfie, this secondary display becomes a viewfinder. Well, compared to the last generation, now this secondary display is more usable with widgets, notification previews and stuff, which I'm still yet to explore more. We'll keep you guys posted. Moving on to the right, you have the volume rocker and power button. The power button is also the fingerprint sensor. Top, the secondary mic for noise cancellation. And to the left, the SIM tray, which can take in a nano SIM, supports 5G. If you want to use a secondary SIM, then you have to go for an eSIM, as this supports it. Bottom, you have the Type-C port, primary mic and the speaker grill. The earpiece here also acts as a secondary speaker. Alright, so here are my initial impressions. Flip open, you have the primary display. It is a 6.7 inches 22:9 aspect ratio HDR10 supported foldable dynamic AMOLED display, which is really cool. It is now stronger as per what Samsung claims, and not only that, this is a 120Hz display. On the crease in the center, yep, it's there, but not there. Haha, kinda tricky. Viewable only at an angle. But hey, it doesn't bother much. And be it video calls, watching videos, the flex mode is super handy. You don't need a stand. Next, the build. As said, it is solid. I love it. The best part is, it is water resistant now, which is cool. And the hinge is now super strong. I can place it at any angle I want. The tuck sound on closing is satisfying. Talking about hardware and performance, well, Snapdragon 888 Adreno 660 GPU, 8GB RAM, 128GB UFS 3.1 storage with One UI on top of Android 11. A lag-free initial experience. I'm loving it.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Hell yeah!
Gaming is a joy. And on the primary sensors, all are accounted, including NFC. Speaking of camera, the dual 12 megapixel setup and the 10 megapixel front shooter does take some impressive shots. The main camera supports max 4K 60fps video recording, good dynamic range, colors. Here are some samples. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram page. We'll update more samples as I take this device for a rigorous spin. Next, the battery. This area is where I felt Samsung could have done better. I expected a large battery this time. Still, it has a 3300 mAh battery. For casual use, it's okay. But if you push the device a bit, you might need to charge twice per day. And on top, this device only supports 15 watt fast charging. Why Samsung? Why? Why limit it to 15 watts? I can afford a fast charger. On the other hand, wireless charging, yes, it supports QI wireless charging up to 10 watts. Here is a complete overview of the technical specifications for your reference. Overall, for me, this device is sure impressive. And if you're someone switching from a regular smartphone, you will love it for sure. No doubts. As said, the money that you're paying is for the foldable tech, which is now much more refined. You can fold a full smartphone and carry it in your pocket. That is its highlight. When folded, it is super compact.
Aha! Special birthday comparison. Exclusive TechShan comparison time.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the phone when folded is approximately in the size of a 50-gram Odonil air freshener pack. Yep, crazy but true. Another exclusive TechShan comparison. The 128GB model costs around Rs 85,000 and the 256GB around 89,000. If you have a HDFC Bank credit card, you get about 7,000 cash back. Let's assume you guys have this budget. Will you go and try out a foldable phone? Let me know in the comments. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys found it informative. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another exciting video. Until then,